Hi everyone, Dr. Nemechek here. Just a quick little anecdote for you. A friend of ours, when we moved to Arizona about 15 years ago, we met a woman. It's in the food service industry. And we see her quite frequently wherever she works. We tend to go and work at her section. She's just a wonderful person. Anyhow, we were eating at a restaurant recently, and she said, "Oh, you've got to talk to our assistant manager. I told her about your autism stuff." And so the assistant manager came over and ended up sitting down with us and chatting for a long time. And I said, "I'll send you a book." And she's like, "Oh, yeah, I'd love to." And I kind of forgot about it, honestly. Well, we sent her the book, but then after that, I forgot about it. And then just this last weekend, so it's been 3 months, we're in that same restaurant, and she comes over, and she's like, "Oh, my God, you've changed our life." She said her boy is 3. She said he's kind of woken up. He's paying attention. He kind of knows what's going on. He's aware of what's going on. He's starting to use multiple words. He's actually can now say the alphabet. He's starting to learn to count. He's potty trained. He's sleeping better. And it had only been 3 months. But you know what? It was only a conversation. It was just somebody reaching out and seeing if somebody was open to that. And if they are, and we can get them to try, great. We will change now this child. The next 70, 80 years of this child's life will be different because of that chance conversation. And it's something that if your child is doing better on this, it's something I think all you parents need to try to do more often. There are way too many of these kids out there struggling. This is a cheap, safe, very effective regimen. And quite honestly, they're going to believe you as a parent more than me. I need you to be, an agent of change for the Nemechek protocol for autism. And, maybe you just send them a book for $10. And they might sit around their house for 6 months. And when they finally start looking at it, you change that kid's life. So anyhow, I just want to share that little story with you. It just emphasized to me how we just need to keep reaching out in many possible ways as possible. That's all for today, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.